What? Where's Captain Feathersword? Where's Captain Feathersword, Jake? Where? Show Grammy. Where's Captain? Where's Captain Feathersword, Jake?
Grandpa loves you. You too, baby. Right back at you.
Show Grammy. That's Captain Feathersword. Yeah, that's Captain. Good job. I see. Captain. That's Captain Feathersword. Push the button. Push a button, Jake. Good job. Yay. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Is crawling still faster, Jacob?
Yeah. Walking out.
Hi. Whoa.
That's a circle crawl. A circle walk.
All right, that's good enough to show Auntie Kate. Try and send it to YouTube for her. Say, hi, Jacob. Jake. What's that? What's that? Bowl? Be nice. Nice. Be nice, Jake. Be nice to your bowls. Okay? Uh-oh. Oh, bowl. Oh. Where are you going? You gonna come up? You gonna come up? Where's Captain? Where's Captain Feathersword? Where's Captain Feathersword, Jacob? Can you say Wiggles? Can you Wiggles? Push a button. Where's Captain? Where's Captain? Good job. Push again.
Fruit salad.
Push a button.
Salad.
Yummy, yummy. Here. One zucchini, one tomato, two. One zucchini, one tomato, two. Put them in the bowl and you got vegetable soup. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay.